Hi everyone and welcome to my final more important analysis video on Wednesday the 8th of November with me, which pre-market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at gold, which continues to move sideways and just give off again contradictory signals. As I just talked through dollar yen, arguably similar story, whereby the market just doesn't really know which direction it's going to break, but you would argue there's a very slight positive bias forming as the market is sort of posting higher lows and putting consistent pressure on 1284 now. You sort of look at the daily momentum indicators just mildly ticking higher on the RSI, mildly moving higher on the stochastics. Is this building for an upside break above 1284? I think you're basically in a $21 range really, 1263 to 1284, and you have been in that range for sort of 2.5 weeks now. Can you see an upside break? Well, even if you did, you've got overhead resistance 1291, and then the big long-term resistance of the pivot 1300 to 1310. So there is still big levels overhead to negotiate, even if you did see an upside move. It would start to, if you did see an upside move, it would sort of arguably, I suppose, confirm the fact that you're hitting the support above 1260. And continuing to push higher, but certainly I think that the market is looking fairly well sort of neutrally configured at the least, possibly sort of turning a little bit more positive, but no breakout yet. I mean, you look at this 1284 still in resistance, sort of 1281 1282 area, but again you're sort of rallying towards that level today as these candles start to build again from near-term support or yesterday's low 1271. But yeah, it's nothing yet decisive in any way at all, and you'd still sort of point to this being a range play. Look at the RSI buzzing between sort of 30, 70, slight move above 70. Marginal move on Monday, but generally speaking, you'd still say this is a range play. You need a closing breakout really above 1284 or below 1263. Not seeing that yet. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow.